Hello students, today we are going to study numbering of events. Now, numbering of events is generally done with the help of Fulkerson's rule. Now, in this rule, activities are usually identified by node numbers, that is, the number of events on either end of the activity arrow. Therefore, the event should be numbered in such a way that the logical sequence is always maintained. Numbering can be done in the following steps. Now suppose that we have a network like this, so we will mark the initial node as one number and we will remove all the activities from this event. So the network diagram will become like this, that is having the initial node 1. Now after removing the activity from event 1, then we have two initial nodes. Now we will mark the number 2 and 3 to any of the node like this. Now we have to remove the activities from second and third node one by one. Now after removing the activity from event 2, we will have only one initial node as this, so we will mark this node as 4. Now we will remove the activities from event 3 and the diagram will be like this. Now after removing the activity from event 3, we will have two initial nodes like this, so we will mark the events as 5 and 6. Now we will remove the activity from 4, 5 and 6th event and the final diagram will be like this. Now we will number this event as 7. So in this way we can number all the events by using the Fulkerson's rule. Now the total numbering of the event will be like this, that is event 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. That is all about the numbering of events. Thank you students.